A single uncaught error in async code can crash your entire Node.js server. Let's explore how to catch errors in async await code. The primary way to catch errors with async await is using try-catch blocks. Wrap your await calls inside a try block and handle any errors in the catch block. When an awaited promise rejects, JavaScript throws an error that the catch block captures. This gives you a synchronous-looking way to handle asynchronous errors. Alternatively, you can use the .catch method on the returned promise. Even though you're using async await, the function still returns a promise. Calling .catch on it lets you handle errors without a try-catch block. This is useful when you want a more functional approach or need to handle errors at the call site. If you don't catch errors, they propagate up the call stack as unhandled promise rejections. In Node.js, unhandled rejections trigger warnings and can crash your process. Always ensure errors are caught either locally with try-catch or at the function's call site with .catch. Consider error handling granularity. You can wrap individual awaits for specific error handling or group multiple awaits in one try block for shared error logic. For parallel async operations, use promise.allSettle to handle each result individually or wrap promise.all in try-catch to catch the first rejection. Master async error handling with try-catch blocks, .catch methods, and proper granularity to build resilient Node.js applications. Practice these patterns to ace your interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.